Stress and anxiety can feel overwhelming, making it hard to find peace in the moment. But in times of uncertainty, the words you speak to yourself can be a powerful tool for calm and clarity. By using specific affirmations, you can shift your mindset, relax your body, and regain control of your emotions. These words are not just thoughts, they hold the power to reshape your reality. Let's explore how to overcome anxiety and bring a sense of peace into your life, no matter the situation. Anxiety often starts in the mind, but it quickly affects the body. Racing thoughts, a tight chest, and a sense of panic can take over in an instant. In these moments, affirmations act as a grounding force. By speaking words of reassurance, you send signals to your brain that you are safe. This simple shift can slow your heart rate, relax your muscles, and bring a sense of calm. Repeating phrases like, "I am safe," "I am in control," "I am at peace," helps rewire your thinking. Over time, your mind learns to respond differently to stress, replacing fear with confidence. Every time anxiety creeps in, returning to these words brings stability and comfort. It's not just about saying the words, it's about feeling them. As you affirm calmness, visualize yourself in a serene place. Picture a gentle breeze, warm sunlight, or waves moving in perfect rhythm. Your body will respond, and soon, peace will replace panic. Anxiety often comes from the fear of the unknown. The mind clings to problems, trying to predict every outcome. But in reality, most things are beyond our control. The more we resist uncertainty, the stronger our stress becomes. Affirmations can remind you that you don't need to control everything. I release what I cannot change. I trust that all is unfolding as it should. These words allow your mind to soften and let go of unnecessary worry. Letting go doesn't mean giving up. It means trusting that life has a natural flow. When you surrender to this rhythm, your stress lessens. Instead of focusing on what could go wrong, shift your attention to what is going right. Over time, your mind will learn that peace is a choice available to you at any moment. When anxiety hits, your breath is your greatest tool. Shallow breathing fuels stress, while slow, deep breaths activate relaxation. In moments of panic, pairing breath with affirmations creates an instant sense of relief. Breathe in slowly while saying, "I inhale peace." Hold for a moment, then exhale while saying, "I exhale fear." This simple rhythm signals to your nervous system that it's time to relax. As you repeat this, your heart rate slows, your muscles loosen, and your mind clears. If thoughts begin to spiral, place a hand on your chest and remind yourself, "I'm grounded, I'm safe." Feeling the warmth of your own touch reinforces comfort, helping you return to a calm state. Over time, this practice builds resilience, making it easier to navigate stress whenever it arises. Worry thrives on what's missing, what's wrong, or what might happen next. Gratitude, on the other hand, shifts your focus to what is already good in your life. When stress takes over, redirect your thoughts with affirmations of appreciation. Saying, "I am grateful for this moment, I am thankful for all that I have," instantly changes your perspective. Even in difficult times, there is always something to be thankful for: a warm meal, fresh air, a supportive friend. Recognizing these blessings creates space for joy, even amidst stress. The mind cannot be anxious and grateful at the same time. By choosing gratitude, you tell your brain to release tension and focus on positivity. Over time, this shift rewires your thinking, making peace your natural state rather than fear. Anxiety often comes with a harsh inner voice, criticizing every mistake and magnifying every flaw. This inner dialogue fuels stress, making it harder to feel at ease. To break the cycle, replace self-judgment with self-compassion. Use affirmations like, I am doing my best, and that is enough. Speaking to yourself with kindness rewires your thoughts, replacing fear with reassurance. When you accept self-compassion, anxiety loses its grip, allowing you to move forward with confidence. No one is perfect, and that's okay. Growth comes from learning, not from self-criticism. The more you practice kindness toward yourself, the less anxious you will feel. In time, your inner voice will become your greatest source of support. External circumstances may not always be calm, but inner peace is always within reach. Anxiety thrives in chaos, but when you build a safe space within yourself, stress loses its power. An affirmation like, I carry peace within me no matter where I am, acts as a reminder that calmness is always available. Visualize this inner sanctuary, a quiet place in your mind where you feel safe and at ease. Returning to this space whenever stress arises helps ground you, even in uncertain situations. Building this inner sense of security takes time, but with each repetition, your mind begins to trust in its own strength. The more you affirm peace, the more it becomes your natural state, allowing you to navigate life's challenges with confidence. No feeling lasts forever. Anxiety may feel overwhelming in the moment, but it will pass. Reminding yourself of this truth can bring immediate relief. Affirm, this feeling is temporary, I will get through this. These words provide a sense of reassurance, reminding you that even the hardest moments will not last. Just as storms pass and skies clear, your emotions will shift and peace will return. When stress feels endless, focus on the next small step. Whether it's taking a deep breath, stretching your body, or listening to calming music, each action brings you closer to relief. Trust that you have the strength to move through anything, and soon anxiety will fade into the background. No emotion is permanent. Anxiety may feel overwhelming in the moment, but it is temporary. Reminding yourself of this can bring immediate relief. Affirm, this moment is passing, I will get through this. These words help you zoom out, seeing the bigger picture rather than getting lost in a single wave of emotion. When stress feels endless, focus on the next small step.
Whether it's taking a sip of water, stretching your body, or listening to calming music, each action brings you closer to relief. Anxiety thrives in overthinking, replaying the past, or worrying about the future. But taking small actions shifts your energy, breaking the cycle of stress. Instead of sitting with anxious thoughts, try affirming, I take one step at a time. Whether it's journaling, going for a walk, or doing something creative, action redirects your focus. The mind cannot be anxious and engaged at the same time. By shifting into action, you remind yourself that you are not stuck and progress is always possible. Anxiety makes you feel powerless, but the truth is, you have overcome countless challenges before. Reminding yourself of your strength builds confidence for the future.
Affirm, I am strong, I am resilient, I can handle anything. These words reinforce your ability to face difficulties with courage. The more you affirm your strength, the more you believe it. And when anxiety tries to shake you, you'll recall you have already made it through so much, and you will get through this too. Uncertainty fuels stress, but having simple daily habits creates stability.
Morning and evening affirmations can set the tone for a calm, centered mind.
Begin the day with, today, I choose peace. End the day with, I release all worries, I rest in peace. These rituals signal to your mind that peace is always an option. Over time, consistent habits build a foundation of calmness, making it easier to navigate stress when it arises. Anxiety may be part of life, but it doesn't have to define you. Through calming affirmations, deep breathing, and self-compassion, you can take back control and create inner peace.
Every word you speak shapes your experience, and by choosing supportive thoughts, you reclaim your power.
Whenever stress arises, return to these affirmations. The more you use them, the stronger they become, helping you move through life with confidence and ease. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content focused on well-being. Peace is always within reach, you just have to claim it.